Perdomo house by TATÚ Arquitectura in Edén, Uruguay. The house is the main construction of a system of interconnected elements with the landscape that were planned to colonize a territory of 5 hectares in a rural area of the Maldonado department, Uruguay. The premise was to disperse these components in the landscape to build an itinerary of events that would invite users to explore and experience a large part of the dominated territory. In this sense, a space of shade, the house, a space of fire, the outdoor living area, and a space of water, the pool, were defined, which accompanied the idea of connecting with the rural environment from the direct experience of the landscape. On the other hand, 3 characteristics that are part of rural tradition were taken as project triggers: the central courtyard, the open gallery, and the vaults. The articulation of these elements in the general functioning of the house allows controlled interior-exterior transitions, where the house itself functions as a threshold between the user and the landscape. The central courtyard takes on principal importance for providing shelter and privacy in a clear territory exposed to winds, sun, and rain from different directions. The gallery is the main space that links the user with the deep horizon of the sunset. The interior experience of the house is accentuated in the social area thanks to the increase in interior volume provided by the vault used in the main roof.